The whole world is waiting for GTA 6. Millions of people are already counting down the days until release, just so they can finally sit down and play through the game. But while most people are waiting to play, a select few see this as an opportunity to make money. Have you ever stopped to think that around a single game, hundreds of millions of dollars circulate, and not all of it ends up in Rockstar's pocket? People are going to make money off GTA 6. Streamers, YouTubers, modders, account sellers, guide creators, in-game currency traders, and a whole bunch of other people you probably haven't even considered. And here's the thing, most people don't even think about it. They're just waiting for the game so they can play it, and it never crosses their minds that an ordinary person could actually make money from it. So let's break it all down, step by step, from the easiest method to the most advanced, how to make money from GTA 6 and where you can start. Method 1, and the simplest, the clips and short-form videos. This is as easy as it gets. You take GTA 6 gameplay and upload it as short clips to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, or you compile it into full-length compilations for YouTube. And here's the key thing to understand right away. You don't even have to play the game yourself. In fact, you don't even need to own the game. All the material is already out there on the internet. Clips from Twitch streams, funny moments from Reddit, compilations of other people's gameplay. Just go to the clips section on Twitch, sort by the most popular from the past week, and you've got material that's already proven it hooks people. You can take all of it, edit it, and put together your own video. Just don't re-upload someone else's clip as is. Platforms don't like non-unique content and simply won't show it to people. Make it your own, change the processing, slap your own text overlay on top, add a catchy title, match it to a trending sound, and take one solid moment and upload it to TikTok, Shorts, and Reels all at once. 3 platforms from one clip, triple the chance it takes off. One funny moment, good editing, a hooky title, and the clip flies to hundreds of thousands of views. Then those views turn into money. YouTube monetization, the TikTok Creator Fund, ads inside the clips, and cross-promotion to your other channels. And here's the real secret, volume. Don't expect your very first clip to hit 1 million. Upload a lot, consistently, every single day. 1 out of 10 will take off and pull the whole channel up with it. And here's a trick almost nobody talks about, but it personally helped me push a channel into recommendations for the first time: YouTube end screens. Those are the links to other videos at the end of a clip, and you can put not only your own videos there, but also videos from other creators. Find a few other channels that are just as small as yours, and agree to put each other's end screens on your videos. If one person's video takes off, it pulls the others along with it. Or you can simply buy an end screen placement from a small channel so they funnel their viewers to you. Even if 100 people come over, that's already great at the start, because the first subscribers are the hardest to get. And the best part, getting started costs $0. All you need is a phone or a weak PC, any free editing software, and a bit of time. No powerful hardware, no game itself, not even any skill at playing it, just a willingness to learn editing and an eye for what kind of clips are working. And the best time to start is right now, while the hype is at its peak and algorithms are pushing everything GTA 6 into recommendations. Method 2, your own themed pages. These are Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter accounts entirely dedicated to GTA 6. News, leaks, memes, fan art, countdowns to release. People right now are hungry for any info about the game, and an audience for a page like that grows on its own, just off the hype. Here's how you start. Create an account with a clear name like GTA 6 News or GTA 6 Daily. Set up a profile picture and cover image. That'll take about 10 minutes. Then you need content, and here's the system for filling your page without having to come up with anything from scratch. Go to the search for GTA 6, open a few big pages on the topic, and look at which of their posts got the most likes. That's your material. But don't copy directly. Take the core news, rewrite it in your own words, rephrase the sentences differently, use your own image instead of theirs. To the algorithm, that's already unique content, but in reality, you just spent 5 minutes. The same goes for memes and roundups. Take the idea, present it your own way. Next, a tactic most people underestimate: growing through peers. Through the same search, find pages that have roughly the same number of followers as you. Not big ones, but similarly small ones like yourself. Send them a direct message. Hey, I run a GTA 6 page. Let's recommend each other. I'll post about your page, you post about mine. This is called shout out for shout out. It's common in this niche, and about half will say yes. You both show each other to your followers, the audience doubles, and it's free for both of you. And if one of your posts takes off, it pulls the other person along too. One helped, the other returned the favor. Set this up with 5 pages, and you're suddenly known to way more people. Once the page gains traction, it starts making money on its own. Other pages and gaming services reach out to pay you for a promo post. You insert affiliate links, you get paid for placing someone else's ad. Or you can sell the grown account entirely. There are always buyers for pages with a live audience. Method 3. Your own YouTube channel, this time with your face and voice. Here you're actually on camera. Reviews, breakdowns of fresh news and leaks, in-game guides, reactions to trailers. This approach is straightforward, but it's also not the easiest. Quality is everything here. If the videos are interesting, the channel will grow. If they're not, it's just a waste of time. And quality only comes with experience and by studying how strong creators do it, how they structure their videos, hold attention, and present even boring news in a way that keeps viewers watching till the end. That's why almost everyone's first videos are weak, and that's normal. The channel grows as you get better, but the ceiling here is higher than with clips. A face-on-camera channel is worth more. You get direct ad integrations, sponsors, and a loyal audience that watches you, not just random content about the game that happens to pass by. Method 4. Your own website with game guides. The idea is simple. People constantly search Google for answers about GTA 6, how to make money fast at the start, where to find secrets, how to beat a tough mission. You create a site where you post answers to these questions, people come to read, ads show up on the page, and you earn money per visitor. The more people visit, the more you make. This is done without any programming knowledge. You grab a website builder, WordPress for example, where you assemble a site from ready-made blocks, like a presentation. You buy a short domain name, something like GTA 6 Guides, pay for a cheap monthly hosting plan, just a few bucks a month, and in one evening you can set up a basic site. Then you just write articles, a title like 10 ways to make money fast at the start of GTA 6, and below it point-by-point answers, add images, subheadings, and the article is done. Now here's a smart move. Of course, every game is different. New map, new missions, different in-game money-making methods. But some search queries repeat from game to game. These topics don't depend on the specific map, and you can prepare them in advance. Ask any AI which GTA 5 guides people search for most often on Google, pick out the ones that will definitely carry over to the 6th game, and write articles for them before the game even releases. When GTA 6 drops, millions of people start searching for those answers, and your articles are already published and ready to meet them. While everyone else is just starting to write, you're getting the entire first wave of traffic. The downside, I'll be honest, this doesn't deliver results overnight like videos do. A site needs time for Google to start showing it to people, weeks, sometimes 2 to 3 months. That's why you need to start early, so that by the time the game launches, your site already has some weight in search. But once it does, it works for you automatically. An article is written once, and visitors and revenue from it keep coming for years while you focus on other things. Method 5, and this is the highest level in terms of difficulty and earning potential, creating your own content directly inside GTA 6. According to rumors, Rockstar is preparing a full user-generated content store for the 6th game, something along the lines of what Roblox and Fortnite have. The idea is that players will be able to create their own things, entire roleplay worlds, game modes, clothing, missions, and sell them to other players for real money right inside the game. This is where the biggest money circulates. Think about the roleplay servers in GTA 5, the ones where people act out everyday life, work, socialize. Their creators make fortunes off donations and subscriptions. In the 6th game, it's all going to become even bigger and more accessible, and insiders are straight up saying that GTA 6 will make some people millionaires specifically through this. But this is already an advanced path. It requires skills, a team, and serious work. So I'm not going to break it down step by step in this video. If enough of you are interested and you want to know exactly how to set up your own roleplay server or start creating content for sale, drop a comment and I'll cover it in detail in a separate video. And that's still not all. There are at least a dozen more ways to make money off GTA 6, selling power leveling and in-game currency farming for people who don't want to grind themselves, reselling leveled up accounts, making merch inspired by the game, earning through affiliate links and reviews. Each one deserves its own breakdown, and if this video does well, I'll make a second part covering the rest, but even just one of these methods could be your starting point. The difference between those who make money and those who don't is just one thing. The first group takes action and does it, while the second group keeps putting it off for later. GTA 6 hasn't even come out yet, and that's your biggest advantage. When the game launches, most people will only just start figuring out what to do, but those who prepared in advance will already have channels, pages, websites, and an audience. So pick one method and start now, while everyone else is just waiting for the download button.